Hello, beautiful souls. Today I'm going to introduce you to myskinbuddy, and I'm going to take you step by step through a cleansing routine. Now, myskinbuddy is a wonderful device and you can use it with any cleansing. So whether you have a powder cleanser, whether you have a gel cleanser, an oil cleanser, you can use any modality of cleanser that you already have in your system. What I will say is I'm a big fan of balms and oils, and that works wonderfully with myskinbuddy because there's a thermal heat and a 5-minute timer. That ensures that I can get actually a 5-minute slip on my skin and it feels wonderful. However, if you really are not a fan of oil balms, then you can use any cleanser. But my tip to you would be fill up a hairdresser's bottle with water and just literally spritz your face when you feel that the heat is drying up your cleanser and you're not getting a slip and you're actually dragging on your skin. So for this purpose, I'm actually going to take my hair back off. So I've applied 4 pumps of my balm. If your balm's in a tub, a healthy scoop. You want to have a nice covering over your face. And I take it over my lips because it's really good, particularly if we wear lipsticks and lip glosses. We get little bumps and lumps in here. And then with whatever's left on my fingers, I'm actually just going to place on the metal plate of myskinbuddy, and I'm wiping any residue oil off. Now these are mist-proof, waterproof. I mean, if you put them in water in the bath, no, that's not going to be there. But if you get a splash of water in your bath, then that's fine. So I just pop the oil covering on there, and it's the first button you press. The cleansing is the first one. Now you'll see the red light. So we've got the red light therapy already working on our skin. And you'll notice that I'm actually going in small circular movements on here. I'm feeling the thermal heat that is warming up my cells. It is emulsifying any gunk and sebum that I might have in my skin. And then I'm going to move on to another area. And the ultrasound in there is vibrating and breaking up, again, the sebum and the gunk. And the ionotophoresis is working in a positive charge. And that is just pulling up all dirt that is blocked. So this is really good to remove blackheads, blemishes that we have on our skin. It's really good to prepare the skin before exfoliation. And actually, just by doing this on a daily basis, you are going to speed up your exfoliation and encourage that. So I'm staying in one area because I'm warming up the muscles, I'm emulsifying all the sebum, and it's a really good, nice bit along the side of the nose there. We actually have a lot of drainage there points, so it's really good. I like to go along the bone, so I take it right up to the line of the occipital bone there, and the vibration gets all the lymphatic drainage moving. So you can see I'm going up and then kind of coming down. So I'm bringing and encouraging all that lymph drainage in there. So it's really nice along the jawlines. I have lots of clients who specifically ask me to go along their jawline and beside the ear. You get a little more of a buzz when you're going by the ear, but you're really preparing the skin for drainage. So you can go over your mouth. And slower is always better. You're going to feel the thermal heat, and it's actually going to benefit. If you whiz around your face in a quick manner, it keeps you at that heightened. This really kicks you into a nice, relaxed ritual. And sometimes I draw figure of 8s on my face. And again, you can go along the occipital bone. It's really good to encourage lymph drainage on the eyes and along the forehead. When you're going along the forehead, you will notice, because it's a bonier area, that you get a little more vibration. You have a 5-minute timer. You can stop at any time just by pressing and holding the button. I like to limit myself to 5 minutes. I also watch a podcast while I'm doing it. Now, when I have finished this, I will just wash off any excess oil with my powder cleanser, enzyme cleanser. And the next video, if you watch tomorrow, will show you how My Skin Buddy infuses serums deeper into the skin where they need to be working. Thank you for watching.